Heavy Star, good day to you, Qatar 739 Heavy, final approach 25 left.
Qatar 739 Heavy LA car, good afternoon, wind 230 at 10, runway 25 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 25 left, Qatar 0, correct, 739.
Sound, very good day, Qatar 740 from stand 156, ready to start.
Who's that? Is that caller?
Qatar 740.
Qatar 740 Heavy LA ground, push tail south and pull forward and disconnect the beam gate 154 to runway 24 left.
Yes, start and push tail south and disconnect the beam gate 154 to runway 24 left. Qatar 740.
Qatar 740 Heavy, amend instructions, push tail north to runway 25 right. Qatar 740 Heavy, push tail north to runway 25 right.
Okay, push tail north 25 right. Thank you very much, Qatar 740. Qatari 740, we got alternate transition bail, confirm.
Qatari 740 Heavy, that's affirmative, and the first RNAV waypoint is Docker. RNAV is Docker, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
The Docker, get your go runway 255, thank you, Qatari 740.
Qatari 740 Heavy, contact SoCal departure, good day.
SoCal departure, good day to you, Qatari 740.